Welcome to the Screezy how-to video for the iPhone 6 screen replacement. Your Screezy screen replacement kit contains everything needed for this repair. To purchase any of our repair kits, visit Screezy.com. All Screezy screen replacement kits come fully assembled with all the necessary small parts. And every screen is tested in the U.S.A. Let's get started by powering off the device. Using the 5-star pitch-lobe screwdriver, remove the 2 bottom screws near the charging dock. Using the metal opening pry tool, insert between the screen and the frame of the phone, inserting just enough to reach underneath the screen. Work the pry tool around the screen if needed to eventually pry the screen loose and lift to a 90-degree angle. The metal box on the bottom right is magnetic and can be used to magnetize your screwdriver. Keep in mind, always be gentle with internal components while repairing the device. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, remove the 5 screws on top of the upper right metal shield. Set the metal shield to the side. Using the plastic spudger, remove the 4 clips, plugging the screen into the logic board. Your Touch ID is unique to your iPhone. Therefore, we will need to disassemble it from your broken screen and reassemble it to your new Screezy replacement screen. Use the Phillips head screwdriver to remove the 2 screws securing the home button bracket. Set the metal shield to the side. Use the spudger to disconnect the home button cable connector by pushing it up and away from the home button. Using your flathead screwdriver, carefully separate the home button cable from the adhesive securing it to the front panel. The Touch ID flex cable is very thin. If you feel like you're going to tear it at any time, apply mild heat, possibly with a hairdryer, and then try again. From the front side of the screen, gently push the home button up and away from the front panel. Your Screezy replacement screen comes fully assembled with the front-facing camera, earpiece, and LCD shield. We will be reversing the steps now. First, by reassembling the home button Touch ID onto your new Screezy replacement screen. Place the home button back into the home button slot with the Touch ID to the left. With the Touch ID realigned, reset the home button cable clip with your small plastic spudger. With the home button and Touch ID reclipped, the home button shield can be screwed back on using the Phillips head screwdriver. Using your squeezy replacement screen, clip the 4 screen clips back into the logic board. Place the metal shield back on top of the 4 clips and align the screw holes over the relevant spots on the logic board. Using the magnetized Phillips head screwdriver, place each screw onto the tip of the screwdriver and screw the 5 screws back into the metal shield. With the screen now reattached to the logic board, now we just need to reset it back into the frame. Insert the top of the screen into the frame first, making sure the top is secured in the frame before you then go down and around the sides of the screen to secure all the sides. With the screen secure, use the pentalobe screwdriver to screw back in the 2 pentalobe screws near the charging dock. The screen replacement is now finished, and you can power back on the device.